There's a teleport trap.
Where? Ah, I see it.
Yeah, I stepped on that and I got teleported to the other part of the facility.
So it doesn't kill you, the teleporter?
No.
Oh my god! Fuck's sake! I'm dead. Fuck's sake!
So I lost you, then I took all the items and went headed for the ship. And then I saw a dog and it ran towards me.
Yeah,
and then
I was like, where is
running
she?
Towards...
I was like, where is she?
And then
Oh no.
and I ran towards the main entrance again because there was a dog. And then it lagged and I was in the water. That wasn't too good.
No. Okay.
Fuck's sake.
That went well.
We're all dead.
We lost most of our items, I think. The things we collected.
It's only
the
one
Thumper
person
is
left.
so fucking strong. Go spectate the Thumper guy. I'm dying.
Guys, this he can teleport to the
What?
He can teleport to brothers.
Yeah, there's a teleport.
If he remembers that.
Yeah, I didn't. He probably will not. He probably will not.
All dead.
There's a mimic me.
What the fuck did you guys do?
He said, oh, you're all dead. No, don't go away. Never mind.